Hello, Mr. Zarman.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Okay, bueno. Okay, bueno. Wait a couple more minutes, and then we can talk about all the cool shit. All right, it's 9:05. Let's get started. Dave, how are you?
What?
How are you?
I'm good. Bumping along,
Nice. Well,
spending
about what
all
things that
my time on House of Void.
all of your time on House of Void? I love to hear that. But let's talk about it. Where are you at? What you up to?
Um,
For Fury and Nuss in the crowd.
yeah, for Fury Nuts in the crowd. Um, no, we've got some really good progress. The game is functioning. There's a few changes in Unity, to the actually Unity side of it that need to be made. But um, it I think it is pretty neat in that anyone can just like anonymously play the game, and there's a funnel concept to it. Like basically, you come and to play, come to the website and you can play immediately and you can see how it works. And then then you can register and you can play with like on chain with fake tokens that have no value, and you can do that as long as you want and participate in leaderboards, and then you can actually deposit tokens and play the games. So I think the user experience is really coming together, and really close to being fully functional.
Excelente. You want to talk about like the main struggles that you had to get to this point?
Um, yeah, I mean, and they're probably one of the biggest challenges is like how do you make the how do you deal with all of the on-chain and off-chain aspects of it? Um, that's been a challenge, and how do you like we're one of the problems we have, or one of the the challenges we created from the beginning is basically having multiple wallets. So you have a game wallet and you have an external wallet that you can use to fund your game wallet. You can withdraw from your game wallet, but the spins themselves need to be, in order to be able to just like spin it without having to sign every single transaction, you need these two separate, you need like a dedicated game wallet or account. And that has been keeping those entities separate and making them understandable to a user, and trying to differentiate them, but like keep them both available, has been, I think, the biggest headache, but also the most necessary piece of it. And I'm doing something, I think, I believe when we talked not long ago, we decided that the house staking would be like an external wallet only thing. But then, over the last couple of days, I've been working on like the onboarding flow and bringing a user from signing up, going to the website anonymously to registering for an account. And I wanted a user to be able to stake without staking real funds. So I want them to be able to stake the play token, which is just a valueless ARC 200 token. And so I want them to be able to do that, but they can't do that with an external wallet. So so I have to build in the ability to stake with your gaming wallet still, which is something we did in the demo site.
Yeah.
And I still think it will be nice to be able to do that. I mean, it's an added feature. It just is hard to keep it from being confusing.
Oh, cool. Well, I keep seeing screenshots, so I can't. We're knocking on the door of it being live, so finally waiting on a few things from the Ukrainians, and they're ready to actually start making new games too. So I told them that we're going to not um, we're going to not start anything until this one is fully up and running, but they're ready to actually get going and do the full ship.
Yeah.
Cool. Ludo, you want to come up? Let's see how you're here now. There you go.
Oh,
Hello, Ludo. What you working on?
oh, many things. But for Voi, we settled finally those few transactions that we
Yay,
had the ticket.
that's excellent.
Yeah, finally met with Daniel, and yeah, my MetaMask is working now.
Great.
So yeah, and what else? Anybody coming to Berlin this weekend?
Berlin? I wasn't planning on it. What's going on in Berlin?
The Algorand Agentic Hackathon.
No, I wasn't planning on it. Are you gonna go?
I plan to go, yes.
Nice. How far away are you from Berlin?
4 hours by car.
So pretty easy. Pretty easy. Well, you have to, when you go, you have to let me know how it goes. Uh, what kind of prizes are up for grabs?
Oh, they put up some $20,000 for prizes. I don't know.
That's not bad. You gonna win it all?
I think they want to promote new developers to get the prizes, so I will not get again anything.
That's probably true. That's probably true. Well, cool. Well, like I said, when you get back, let me know what you build and what other people are building.
Yep.
Do you have an
Thank
idea
you.
what to build yet? Do you have an idea
Yeah,
what you're
but
gonna
yeah, and I continue to work on the capitalism game. So
Oh
there are
yeah,
some new features.
that's cool. Really cool, sir. Cool. All right. Well, that's everything. Nuss, anything you want to come up with and talk about for the builders? Fury? Right? Oh, that's Fury. Hello, Fury. Doing well. Anything you want to add? So it's okay. There is extra updates there. We're actually not waiting on Henrik anymore. We're waiting on the next version of Algorand that comes out, and apparently that one's going to be a big one. That will make it so that the relay nodes aren't needed anymore. So rather than doing it now and then doing it again right when that comes out, I personally think it's actually be better. I'll probably talk to the council later today just to see what their opinion is, but I think that waiting until that one and just getting it all done was probably the best way. I think it should be. I mean, it should be less than that. Ludo, do you have any idea? Have you heard anything?
Oh, I think 1 or 3 weeks ago, on Friday in Dev Council, JJ said that that they're doing it slow, so they don't plan to release immediately something. And I think this feature is already turned on, or not? I'm
It's
sure
not.
that it's possible to enable it to do the P2P, but
But
I'm
it's
not
not
sure.
fully independent yet. I was talking to Ertho actually earlier or last month, a couple weeks ago, and he said that it's not fully independent yet. So it's not quite ready yet.
Okay.
But I mean, I think that'd be
So
great for
probably 1 to 2 months, I would say, will be the next
that's probably
consensus release.
that's what I'd guess as well.
My Rust node is almost complete.
Nice. Ludo, you gonna run the Rust node?
Oh, I don't know.
Ooh, maybe not.
I'm gonna see
Cool.
what happens. Stick that on Voy and stick all my stake on it and see what happens.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a great idea. Don't do that. You can do that in Algorand if you want.
That's what I'll do.
So you had the Rust node, like which calculates all AVM logic?
Yeah, including redoing all of the CLI binaries. So I now have a goal CLI and like the KMD all rewritten in Rust so that it can be more efficient.
Does it support custom consensus?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm still finishing it. There's still some like housekeeping stuff to do. Basically, whenever I get toward the end of my week, and I have a lot of AI functionality, AI subscription time left, like rate limits left, I'll just have it like take pieces take a stab at like knocking some stuff off the list and try to implement.
By the way, it would be great to do some benchmarks, like
Yeah,
if you take some transactions, like how fast you are able to extract data from them or something like this.
that's what I want. I want to do that, and I want to make it in memory. See like what the memory footprint is, and like an archival node footprint looks like in the relay. How the relay. Yeah, but it's neat because basically Claude is able to use the existing node as a reference. So it'll I have like end-to-end testing that'll start up an Algorand node and start up or the Rust node and send transactions and make sure that they go back and they conform. And I still need to test it, but it's supposed to. Part of the spec is to make it work from the same database. So I didn't want to make any SQLite database changes. So so it should be able to just point it at an existing Algorand nodes database and just start. There's still some work to be done on like the catch point and
Yeah, I don't think this is desirable, because like this SQLite is pretty bad thing for Algorand.
yeah, but that is what
but
exists right now. So yeah, we could change it, but I wanted to get it as close. I want it to be
yeah, I understand.
complete essentially, and then say, okay, how can we actually make it better?
Can you send me the link? Where is it?
Yeah, I don't think I've made the repo public yet, but I will. I can make it public and I can send it to you.
Thanks. Because yeah, I would love to see like Rust Algorand node.
It's
And
funny. It's neat. But yeah, I'll
Okay, well, send me the list. You have to let me know which ones to remove. I have no idea what ones to remove. Please, please, please. Cool.
so are we other relay nodes runners going to get bigger rewards because like the number of nodes is shrinking?
I think that's quest for the okay. Okay. I mean, you can did you ping Gov as well? I mean, yeah, you can't ping him on Discord? Really weird. Okay, well, yeah, I'll touch base with him. It's weird that you can't though. You should be able to. Yeah, yeah, I'll do that. All right, we'll do. Cool, guys. All right, anything else? All right, I will talk to you guys later.
see you later.